Hello, my name is Rodney McClung. Today we will do a brief demonstration of our QP2 Schlage F-Series puller. Release the wing knob. Slide the modified key into the Schlage F-Series lock. The Schlage F-Series lock, if we can pull the plug cylinder far enough forward in the housing, you can depress the retainer because it will then be able to clear the tailpiece of the lock. Insert the key, slide the body over the threaded shaft and key, attach the wing knob until there is firm, even pressure. While you're tightening the wing knob, do not let the body rotate. Keep it held firmly. I will go in quarter turn increments. All locks are different. Some, it isn't necessary to go very far before you are able to depress the retainer in the neck. Some retainers will be at the 3 o'clock position, some at the 6 o'clock position. Make slow, steady. Advancements with the wing knob. We've gone far enough. The plug has cleared the tailpiece. We were able to depress the retainer. Disassemble the lock. Remove the wing knob. Set the body aside. With our release pick, go down the spine of the key, lifting up the number 1 tumbler, retracting the key from the lock. At this point, you can now reform the knob. In such cases where you have to pull further than necessary, we have a reforming tool that comes with the set. Slide your release pick in, putting pressure on the Bible. The lock can now be removed from the housing. Set the lock aside. 2 different spacer bushings come with the tool as a reforming tool. Slide it into the knob housing. Put the knob into the body. Slide the modified bolt through. In this case, we're actually using the tool in reverse. Even pressure on the knob, pulling the bolt face into the knob, it will recrimp the face of the knob. Disassemble the tool. Put your bushing aside. Reinstall the lock after you've serviced it accordingly. Reattach the lock to the knob. That concludes our demonstration of the QP2 Schlage F-Series puller.